Hi there. If you come and work with us at Grendel Games, not only do you get to come and work with one of the most talented, most thoughtful, thought-provoking and kindest teams in the Netherlands, but you also get to come and live in Leeuwarden and work in the Blockhouse Port. As well as being home to Grendel Games, the Blockhouse Port houses lots of artistic and creative companies. We're just a stone's throw from the city, a city which is one of the best kept secrets in the Netherlands, with a vibrant community of students and townspeople. As the province capital of Friesland, it's steeped in history, both of Friesland, but also locally in Leeuwarden. The main station in Leeuwarden is a 10-minute walk from the Blockhouse Port, and fast trains on the NS Intercity services will take you to Schiphol in about 2 hours and 10 minutes, and Amsterdam Central in 2 hours and 31 minutes. One of the great bits about being just a little bit off the tourist beaten tracks, though, is that Leeuwarden as a city has everything you could want, from culture to sports, to nightlife, to entertainment, to food, and to people. Nearly everything in the city is a short walk or a bike ride away. You can even get around by boat or on a little train. Whatever way you choose to get around Leeuwarden, you're never too far away from these amazing green spaces, which are all around the city and the canals. From the Olderhoven Square with the Walkie Tower, you can turn around and explore the little winding shopping streets that visit the Ceramic Museum. Maybe pick up some gastronomy shopping at the Kleine Koopstraat, or eat in one of the restaurants along the canal. It's an old city and it has some really spectacular architecture. It's a little bit like a small Amsterdam, but without the huge numbers of people. It's got a really vibrant art culture with lots of small ateliers and lots of local artists. As home to the University of Groningen Friesland campus and NHL Stenden, the city's got a lot of students, international students, with a really young vibe to it. It's a nice open culture with a whole lot of stuff going on. There are even some special days when we all dress up in orange and Leeuwarden throws a kids party. From kids on bouncy castles to little oiks speeding through the canals in the city centre in their speedboats, today is a really gezellig day. And although on days like this it's super busy, it's also super family friendly and embodied that whole Dutch experience of gezellig.
Ready.
Living in Leeuwarden is much less expensive than where we came from in the south of the Netherlands or Amsterdam, with house rentals super affordable and house purchases super affordable. There are great opportunities for sports, both for kids and adults. And if you have children, Leeuwarden is a super child-friendly city with excellent schools. And anytime you just need to get out of the city, just a short ride away from the city centre by bike or car, there's this amazing green space, the Groene Ster, which is great for walking, relaxing and water sports. The lake behind me in the summer months is full of people doing wild swimming. And on the other side, there's a doggy beach. So Leeuwarden has everything. Culture, nightlife, young vibe, great city, tranquility. When you want to escape, not that the city's busy, I love living here. You should come and join us.